Do you like chocolate? If you do, you're gonna love this recipe. There's Oreos. And did you know there's over 85 different flavor combinations of Oreos? I had no idea. And when I started making this recipe, there was only the original. But anyway, so Oreos, cream cheese, and I'm gonna use 2 different flavors of almond bark, chocolate and vanilla.
What kind of cream cheese?
Oh, well, Philadelphia cream cheese. Is there any other kind?
Now can I have an Oreo?
Yes, Mark, you can have an Oreo now. He's been waiting all day. There you go. So I forgot to tell you the name of the recipe that we're making. It's chocolate Oreo balls. So now I have my Oreos, minus the ones that Mark took, and he had more than one. And I'm gonna put my Oreos in here. Okay, that looks great. That's what we want.
I see a whole cookie.
What? No. All right. All right, do you see it now?
Looks like deliciousness.
All right, I think we're safe. There we go. It's okay if they're not. It's okay if there's still some pieces left. That's fine. Oh.
Oh, thank goodness.
A renegade.
One for the road.
We're gonna take our crushed Oreo cookies and we're gonna put it in our stand mixer. And we're gonna add our 8 ounces of cream cheese. And here's our 8 ounces of cream cheese. It is softened. Okay. And we're gonna mix that on low. We don't want anything to fall out. All right. Want to scrape down the sides, clean off the paddle, and run it just another minute or so. But that's okay. Our 2 ingredients are combined, and now I'm going to shape them into balls. The size is up to you, but probably about this size is good. So I'll roll it like this, and then shape it a little bit better, and then put it on parchment lined sheet. It made about 36 balls. They're probably about 1 inch. After this, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so they'll firm up, so they'll be easier for dipping in our melted chocolate. Now you could go ahead and dip them now. I just know from past experience it'll work better the other way. It's been chilling for 30 minutes, so now we're going to dip it in our chocolate. So you have choices. You could dip it in the chocolate, sprinkle with pretzels, sprinkle with candy, sprinkles themselves. alternate the chocolate and vanilla. But typically what I do is just put it in the chocolate. But today I think I'm going to add a little white on top, or a little vanilla on top rather. So I've microwaved these each so they're warm. Just 30 seconds. If we need to, we'll hit them again if they start to firm up. Look at that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add more chocolate. I'm going to use the opposite flavor and just drizzle. Just drizzle across them in any direction. In no particular pattern. You probably bought something like this in a store during the holidays. Now you can make it at home for a fraction of the money. I'll just get the last bit over here.
So crumbled up Oreos, cream cheese,
Right.
dipped in chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going
Almond
for
bark.
What is almond bark?
It's a coating that you put on candy or stuff like this.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay.
Yeah, so vanilla or chocolate.
Mm.
There we go. This is what it looks like. Try not to take such a big bite.
So a hard shell.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate outside and moist deliciousness inside.
Mm-hmm. And the coating dries pretty quickly.
Mm.
Now that's what I was going to do.
See you later.
Yum. More for me, I wish. But no, Mark's got them all. Well, this was an excellent recipe. Don't forget to like and... He's coming back. Maybe there's hope I can get more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps out the channel. And until we see you next time, bye.
I love you.
Oh, chocolate.